Welcome back, and today we're going to do Flappy Bird episode 2. So, without a further ado, let's get started. What we're going to first off do is turn this into Flappy Bird. Okay? And now, if we run the project, we see that we have some physics. And now the next most crucial step is to start adding the pipes. But before we can do that, I think we should move the player to the left side of the screen. So, in our go-to statement, we're going to go to x negative 200 or maybe negative 175. Actually, I'm going to use negative 150. Okay? So there you go. And now, let's just turn the backdrop blue. For now. Okay. So now that we look like we're in the sky. And now let's add the pipes. Make a new sprite. Call it pipe. Okay. And now what we're going to do is create a pipe. So I'm just going to create a pipe. Okay. So I'm going to have an outline of 5. There you go. So this is the pipe that I'll be using. So before I do anything else, I'm just going to group the pipe. Okay. Now I'm just going to duplicate this pipe. I'm going to flip it vertically. And then I'm going to move this entire pipe up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then this bottom pipe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Make sure it's at 0, 0. Okay. I'm just going to do this up 1 and down 1 to make it a bit more harder. Okay. Call this pipe 1. No spaces. Okay. What you're now going to do is, when I receive start and one green flag clicked, you're going to hide it first of all. And then when you receive start, you're going to create a clone factory. So, forever, forever, create a clone of myself. wait. I'm just gonna do 3 seconds. So if we show this, we want the pipes to start off pretty far out. So the furthest we can get, we can check how far we can get. So the furthest the pipes can be is 253. So I'm just going to use 250. Go to 250 x y0. Okay? And then you're going to create a clone of myself. And wait 3 seconds. And then when I start as a clone, I'm going to first of all show. And then let's have a repeat until loop. Repeat until your x position is less than -250. Because on the opposite corner, we can go to -253. So, this is true. And then, we're just going to change x by -3. And then you're going to delete this clone. Let's test this out. It works. And before we do anything else, let's just have I have the pipes go to the back layer. So, there you go. So now that we're done with the pipes, let's have a bit of randomization for our pipes. So, duplicate the costume, and then we can have some randomization. I could like do up to, but make sure to ungroup when necessary and just extend the the rectangle. Duplicate. And I recommend you always duplicate the first one, the first pipe. And then I'm gonna have one that's down 2. Ungroup. Extend. I'm gonna duplicate this again. And then this time, I'm just gonna have the top one. Duplicate this again. And this time, I'm just gonna have the bottom one. Okay. And what we can do here is, we can switch to costume. So you have a maximum of 5 pipes. We can switch to costume, join, pipe, pick random from 1 to 5. So we can have different, like a bit of randomization in our pipes. And to make this a bit easier, what I'm just gonna do is set speed Y 10 so that you go lower and it'll be easier for the player. And if you want to increase the frequency of these pipes, you can just change the weight 3 to maybe weight 1. This makes this a lot harder and even more challenging for the player. But I'm going to use wait 2 seconds, which I find is the best frequency for the pipes to show up. Okay. So that's it for this episode. I'll see you guys next time. And next time we're going to talk about a death system, a scoring system, and even much more. So, I'll see you guys next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.